Oh, hello. Today I've got Influenza by Chef of Death. I can't remember if this is the first Chef of Death puzzle I've put up here. I know I tried recording one and did not, I didn't solve it. This one hopefully will be a bit easier. It's only 2 stars, so we should be okay. And it's a very straightforward rule set. It's just normal Sudoku rules apply, which means the digits 1 to 9, once each in every row, every column, and every marked 3x3 box. And then we've got these thermometers, which have to increase from the bulb to the tip. So let's say this were a 3. Then I could have 4, 5, 6, 7, but they don't have to go exactly in order, right? I could do 6, 7, 8 here. That would be fine. Let me just quickly turn off my pencil checkers. Yeah, so that's it. Those are the only rules. And let's see how this goes. I'm trying to see which one's the longest. So usually long thermos are really nice to work with. This one is 7. No, it's 6. Only 6 long. So the reason long thermos are nice are because you have to fit a lot of digits on a long thermo, obviously, because there are a lot of spaces to fill. And there are fewer ways to fill up the digits correctly if there are more spaces. But this one is only 5. These are 6. There's 6 cells in them. These are 3 each way. Yeah, so none of the thermos by themselves seem to be doing that much. So I might have to start thinking about things like where can I put a 9 in a particular row or column, or like here I can't put 9 in any of those cells. Well, actually, so I can't put 8 or 9 in any of these actually, because this one can't be 7 either. Like, so the largest this cell could be a 7 because I could put 8 and a 9 above it. So this can't be 8, or this can't be 7, so it can't be 8. This can't be 8 because then these would both be 9. So 8 and 9 at least are both in here. Can this really be 7? I think it could. All right, so 7 would be in one of these 4 cells. Well, if this is 7, we get 8 and 9 here, and the 8 9 pair is here. So it's kind of a weird contingent idea here, but this is a little more restricted than just being 7, 8, and 9 in these 4 cells, because if this is really 7, this suddenly can't be 8 or 9, and we get an 8 9 pair here, along with an 8 9 pair. Oh, wait, hold on. Does that work? Because then what's here? 7 6 5 4 3 2. No, I think that's okay. Now I'm wondering if I need to have a 1 in here in one of the bulbs, or if I could do 8 9 1 here. Well, that'd have to be 1 here. So 1 is actually in one of these 3 cells. Because if 1 were in one of these 2 cells, then I'd have an 8 or 9 here, and then this would be 7. Because 8 9 1 and 7 would be, and these are in these 4 cells. I guess I'll mark the 7. It's too much marking. And I can't put 1 anywhere on the thermometer except the bulb. Which brings on the question, where do I put 1 in this row actually? It's only here or here. So if 1 is on one of these bulbs, I immediately get it here as well. I don't see any problems that arise from 1 being here or here. I mean, it has to be something going on up here. So I get 1. 1 is in one of these. 2. Now I can't put. I can't put. Hold on. What can I put in these cells? Because if there's not an 8 or a 9 here, or a 7. So let's say there's no 7, 8, or 9. Yeah, then I have to put the other of 8 and 9. I'm sorry. If there's a digit in one of these 2 cells that's not 7, 8, or 9. So I think these are going to have to be 7, 8, or 9. If they're not, then they're not 8 or 9. So of these 3 cells, one of these is that the hypothetical digit, and then the other two are 8 and 9, meaning where does 7 go? It has to go here, but this is an 8 or 9, and this is an 8, 9 pair. This is 8 and then 9, so that doesn't work. So these are from 7, 8, 9 only. And then what about 6? And clearly 6 can't go here or here. Is there a reason this couldn't be 6? 6, 7, 8, 9, and 8, 9 pair here. That seems okay. So 6 is one of these. What can I do? Something with 2s here? Yeah, because 2. So one of in this row, one of these is a 1. One of these is a 2. One of these is a 3. Because this is at least 4. This is at least 4. Is that something that these are? I have 5 digits that are all at least 4. So then these 4 digits are 1, 2, 3, and then something on the higher end. Well, hold on. This can't be 4, right? Because if this is 4, we get 1, 2, 3, and then what's this? 1. I mean, this can't be 4. Let me just make sure. If this is a 4, no, sorry, this can't be 4. If this is a 4, we get 1, 2, 3. Where do 1, 2, 3 then go in this row? They don't go in any of these 3 cells. They don't go above it in the thermo. They don't go in here. So they would all go right here. So this is not a 4. This is at least a 5. In fact, can I say it's not a 5 either? If this were a 5, we get 3 of the 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. And then where do those digits go in this row? I could put one of them here. I could put the 4 here. And then that's it. That doesn't work either. So this is at least 6, actually. Can I do? I don't think I can do one more, though. If this is 6, now we have 3 digits less than 5 here. Where do they go in this? I could do 1 here and then 2 here. I could do 5, 4, a low digit. Oh no, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't think that does work actually. Hold on, this is doing a lot more than I thought it was going to. So this can this really not be 6? Hold on, if this is a 6, where do my digits 1 to 5 go in this row? Well, 3 of them are here, so can't go here. I could put 2 of them in here. 2 from 1 to 5 can go in here. But 3 of them can't because they're below 6 here. They can't go here. Where can I put the digits 1 to 5 in those 4 cells? I can't put here. This is at least 6, which I'll pencil in there. Even if I minimize this thermo, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's at least a 6. So my digits 1 to 5, which are, if this is a 6, would have to go in those 3 cells. But how would that work? If these are all 1 to 5, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the only way that could work. And then what is this digit? It's not 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So this is not a 6. And then does that mean this is not a 6? I mean, it's not, does that mean? Is it true that it's not a 6? Because that would actually be enormous. For a reason I'll explain if that's true. So if this is a minimized thermo, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This becomes a 7, 8, 9 pair. 6, 5, 4. This becomes a 1, 2, 3 pair. Which doesn't work, because then what goes here? Yeah, hold on. So this can't be a 6, I think. If this is, hold on, let me just make sure that's right. If this is a 6, this is a minimized thermo. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What goes here? Not 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, because this digit sees everything in this thermo, just like this digit sees everything in this thermo. Oh, this digit also sees everything in this thermo. That's, I bet, yeah, so there's something interesting going on with that. So if this is a 6, then these are the digits 1 to 6. This is higher than 6 then, so this is 7, 8, 9 triple. This is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How do I possibly put 1, 2, 3 here? I cannot do it. If I try to do 1, 2, 3 here, this is going to be less than that, but 1, 2, 3 are taken. So that doesn't work. So this is not a 6. This is now a 7, 8, 9 triple, which means this is in fact an 8, 9 pair. And 7 can't go here anymore. So where does 7 go in this box? It can only go here. And now this thermo is very restricted, because if this were a 6, it'd be completely minimized. There's only 1 degree of freedom now. By degree of freedom, I just mean one place of wiggle room. Like, so if this is absolutely minimized, it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If this is absolutely maximized, it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Either way, like each digit only has 1 degree of wiggle room here. And then this is a digit 1 to 6 that's missing here. And I think that means, yeah, and these 3 digits are these 3 digits. Which I think means this is 2, 3, or 3, 4, because I can't put a 1 on either of these. So these 3 digits are from 1 to 4. Where do they go in the row? Not here, because that'd be bigger than this in the thermo. So these 3 digits have to go here in the row. This could be a 1 that goes here. It could be a 2 that goes here or here. This could be a 2 that goes here or here, a 3 that goes anywhere, a 4 that goes in one of those 2 spots. So these digits are from 1 to 4, which, no, I was going to say that means this is 5 or 6. It's absolutely not true. But that means this is 1 or 2 only. And this, so since these 3 digits are here, where does this digit go? Oh, I thought it would have to go here, but it can go here actually. And in fact, maybe it has to. Yeah, where does this digit go in this row? This digit in this row can't go here. It's 1 or 2, so it's not any of those. So it is in fact here. So I'm going to color those purple. Now I get a 1, 2 pair in this box, making this 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 goes here just by Sudoku. I get a 5, 6 pair. I get a 5, 6 pair up here now by Sudoku, which have to go like this. This is only 4 or 5, because it has to be bigger than 3. It's at least 4. So it could be 4 or 5. It can't be 6 or 7. It can't be 8 or 9, because it's too close to the end of the thermo. So then this would be 5 or 8, and this would be 8 or 9, because 6 and 7 are gone from the column. I should probably color the other 1 or 2. I don't see what that does yet. So here I need a 4. One of these is a 4. I was going to say that means this can't be a 4, but it definitely could be a 4. I'm going to delete this 1 pencil mark because I don't think that's useful anymore. No, I don't quite see it yet. Where does 5? Okay, so I think this is a 5. I don't think this can be a 4. No, maybe it can. Yeah, no, I was thinking, where does 5 go in this thermo? But it doesn't have to be a 5 in this thermo. I could skip this thermo entirely. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, 4 has to go in one of these cells. I mean, that all started by thinking, could a 4 go here? I think the answer is yes. There's a 4 up here with pink and this cell, whatever that is. This is at least 6. It's not so helpful. Yeah, this could be a 5, as high as 5. I mean, there's probably some reason it can't be, but I don't see it yet. Is there some reason this can't be a 3? I mean, That would be very forcing. 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. We get the other 1, 2 here. But I don't see a problem with that exactly. Okay, pink can't go in here. In fact, none of these digits can go on here. So these two digits go here in this box. This digit goes over here somewhere. This one's less useful, but these two go here. No, I can't quite see why that's important. This probably is going to be 8, 9. So what happens if this is 5? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, no, that doesn't work. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 doesn't work because then what's this? So this has to be from 1 to 4. So that's why this can't be 4 even. 4, 3, 2, 1 means this can't be 4. So this is 5, 8, 9. And then what do I get? So 8 and 9 are both here. So this 8 or 9 goes here. It's not in the bulb. Because these are 8, these would both be 9, which it cannot be. Oh, in fact, this is at most 4. So this is fairly small. These are all 1 to 4. There's no 8 or 9 here. 7, 6. Okay, no, that's not that helpful. Yeah, I'm not sorry. I'm having a little trouble making more progress here. This is whatever's missing in the 1, 2, 3, 4 set. So these 3 digits are in these cells. So this digit, let's start coloring. Let's call this one green, this one orange. So orange and purple are in here. Green is in here. Because green is not here. So green is one of these. Orange and purple are in here. So this is actually orange, green, purple. Which means this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 quad. Okay, that's why I didn't get. So this is this digit actually, which isn't 4. Okay, that's neat. Why was this not? How did I get? Oh, because this can't be 5, so this can't be 4. So this is 1, 2, or 3, which means green is 4. This digit is this digit now, which I'll call red. So red can't go on here. Where does red go in this box? It has to be here. Because it can't go on its own thermometer. It can't go here or here. So now 4 is on here. I think it has to be something higher than 4, right? Because 4, the 4 digits between 1 to 4 are purple, orange, red, and green. And those are all accounted for. So the 4 is going to go here. I'm going to get rid of all my green colors. And then this is going to be 6 or 7. With the other 6 or 7 going here. Yeah, that all seems to work out. And then 1, 9, and 1, 8. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Then this can't be 6 anymore because we have to go 6. Can't be 5, it'd be 4, but it can't be because this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. This is at least 4. So it's not 4 or 5. So this is at least 6. Is the easier way to see that. But then it gets very suddenly. Oh, is this only 3, 5, or 7? Yeah, no. I mean, it's only 3 possibilities, but it does almost nothing for the rest of the thermo. So I'm going to leave it off. This can't be 8 by Sudoku. This is 1 or 2 because this cell is at most 6. So if I go down 6, 5, this is at most 4, but it can't be 3 or 4. So this, I'm going to call this green now. Even though green is either orange or red. I just don't know which it is. But I do get a 1-2 pair here. Like one of these is green. So this is only 5, 6, or 7, because if it's 8, that has to be 9, but it can't be. Yeah, no, I don't know more than that. Where does green go? Nah, it's too many places. Oh, green's not red. Look at this. Sorry. Green is orange because this is red. But my 3 colors are really purple, orange, and red between 1, 2, and 3. Green is not purple, so it's either orange or red. But green is also not red. So green is actually orange, which means it's 2. Purple is 1, and red is now 3. Definitely get rid of red. This is now a 4, actually. This is a 1-2 pair. I don't know where blue came from. So this is 1 and 2 for sure. Whoops. And then 6 or 7, whatever's missing from this. This is 5, 6, or 9. Okay, so now, oh, sorry, the 2 looks right here. That finishes those. I get a 1 in one of those spots, one of these spots. Can't get a 1 here. I can still put a 1 here, otherwise I could put it here in the row. 5s, no. Okay, let's be a little more methodical. Maybe do 2s. Yeah. Where does 2 go in this row? It can't go here above its own 2, so that's a 2. 2s then are here, here, here. Oh, which it's 1 here actually. Oops. Sorry, what was this? 3, yeah, it was 3. Okay, 3. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this mark. This is at least 3, but this is at most 6. So this is 5 or 6 only. This is 3 or 5 only. There's at least 4, so this is 5 or 7 only. Yeah, we get a lot of restriction here, but it doesn't quite work itself out. Oh, 1 in the row now is here because of this one. Or maybe, oh yeah, it was one of these 2, but this one is now a 2. So I get a 1 here, which puts a 1 here, which is not what I was hoping for because that relieves a lot of the tension on this. We get a 1 here. We should be just about done. Yeah, I have this kind of 3-way pattern of 1s. 2s. A similar 3-way pattern of 2s left. 3s. One of the, oh, this is a 1-3 pair actually. 3 is one of these. 3 is one of these. Okay, hold on. 3 in this box must go here. So 3 in this box now must go here. Which, yeah, does not resolve anything. Okay, what do I need a 4 here. with 8 or 9. The other 8 or 9 goes here. 2 in this box. No, we already did that. All right, let's go to 4s. 4s are in one of these spots. So therefore, this is a 3-4 pair, which does not help us at all in this thermo, but will probably help us with some Sudoku in a bit. No, move on to 5s. I know like nothing about 5s. Yeah. I'm going to say this might be a little bit restrained, but this is actually quite broad. Could this really be 7, 8, 9? I think it could. Well, this is at least 6 because this can't be 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5. So it's at least 6 and it can't be 9 because there's something bigger than it here. So if this is 7, we get 8, 9 here. This is 6 or 7. This is 8 or 9, which works quite well. 5 is definitely in one of these cells. It's not any of these. Oh, it's not a 4 actually. So this is 7, 8, 9 because this can't be a 4, the 3, 4 pair. 7, 8, 9. This is a 5, 6 pair now. This 8 and 9 does this. Well, this 7 does that part. 5 is up here. So this is not a 5. I have, no, same 2s. Same 2 setup. All right, let's move to 6s. I don't see anything there. 7s. One of those. Yeah, sorry, I'm having a hard time finishing this off. There's 8s in one of those spots. 9s in one of these spots. This is only 5, 6, or 7. So this is a 5, 6, 7 triple. This is now an 8, 9 pair in the column and the box. Well, the box is how we got it. So then 8, 9, 8, 9. This is now an 8, 9 pair, which means this is 4. This is a 2, 3 pair. We need a 3, 4, and a 5 or 6. Not so helpful. And these cells are 2, 3, and what? 2, 3, and 5. So 5 goes here actually, because 5 can't go here. Where's 5 in this column? It's not any of those, not any of those, not here by this 5. So we get a 5 here, a 3 here, 4 here. There we go. Whoops. This is going to do a bunch, I think. That's a 3. Whoops, this was not. That's a 1, I think. 2, 4 pair, which means 2 goes here. What do I definitely need here? I definitely need a 4, which goes here. And then this is 6 or 7 only, so 1 in the row goes here. I could have gotten that from the 5, 6 pair as well. So this is now 1, 8, 9. The 1's going to go here, so that resolves everything in that row. What do I definitely need here? A 6, which is still unresolved. We have 7, 8, and 9 left here. One of them's here, one of them's one of these, one of them's one of these. But I don't know how it works except that 7's not here. In fact, the thermos are basically done. Not literally, but just about. So this 8 can't be 8, so that can't be 7. This can't be 4, so the 4 goes here. Yeah, this is a 5, 6, 9. Oh, there's a 5, 6 pair looking down here. That's a 9. This is 5, 6, 7 triple now. Makes this an 8, which does a little bit of help something's okay. This is it can't be 5. We get a 6, 7 pair here. Makes this 9. We get this is a 5, 7 pair. This is a 6, 8 pair, and I know that goes. The 6 does those, which resolves the whole bottom. 5, 6 has got to be resolved now, and 8, 9 resolved. Very nice puzzle. Really enjoyed that. Thank you for setting it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.